Out in the wild, there are no weight classes like in boxing, so the most unexpected opponents can end up in the ring together. But that doesn't mean that the outcome of these mismatched fights is always what you would expect. Watch this video to the end and you'll be shocked. This tiger decided that a baby bear would make an excellent dinner. After all, neither the cub nor its mother stand a chance against him. But there's nothing more dangerous than a mama bear protecting her children. This is what happens when you mess with Donkey from Shrek, who literally dominated a dragon.
Alright, nobody move.
This snake made a big mistake when it crawled into this bulldog's yard, and here's why. Now it knows the power of a 1,000-pound bite force. And this lioness is about to find out who the real king of beasts is. Remember Master Crane from Kung Fu Panda? Well, now check him out in real life when he had to defend himself against two hungry tigers. Size doesn't matter, thought this pit bull as he attacked a huge bison.
Back up! Jesus Christ, Richard!
This iguana seems to be very patient, but what happens when the lizard's patience runs out? Before stealing food from this rhino, these boars should know that his nickname is Rhino Airlines. The horse is a very docile creature, but this annoying chicken nugget would drive anyone insane. These 5 dogs were like, we're gonna win, you weakling. But the Tegu lizard was like, oh, is that so? The only thing keeping this beast from getting violent with its enemy is the fence. I was talking about the groundhog, in case you're wondering. This dog decided that it was immortal and bit a bull right where you should never bite a bull. Do I even need to mention that the bull was offended? A raccoon found its way into a chimpanzee enclosure in search of food, but found nothing but an adventure. Funny how easily he could have escaped, if only he had eaten less. Don't worry, he's okay. When this donkey rolled up to this camel, he expected something like this.
Look at our little mutant baby.
But here's what he got instead. Dogs have always loved to pester cats, even in the wild, and even if it's a massive lioness. These 2 dogs see themselves as bullfighters, but the truth is, no one told them which side to approach a bull from. Maybe they just like it and are asking the bull for another ride. Dear God, I just want to be half as confident as this duck messing with a tiger. At that moment, the lion heard something. It was the clinking of the steel balls on this dog, who decided to attack two adult lions at the same time. And now, you're about to see the stupidest attack in history. What was this crocodile thinking attacking a 6-ton elephant? The last thing this crocodile was expecting when it attacked this fish was a 600-volt electric shock. Never mess with electric eels. During a hunt, lions will usually surround their prey and attack the neck. But in the case of this giraffe, something has clearly gone wrong. Ladies, can I go already? No, I've almost got the neck, not yet. It may seem strange that this kangaroo's standing right in the middle of a pond, but in fact, it has an insidious plan against these dogs. While domestic cats are afraid of cucumbers, wild cats actually have a good reason to fear caimans. An adult lioness can weigh up to 180 kilograms, but when a buffalo senses danger, it can flip the cat in the air like a pancake. Red Bull really does give you wings. Sometimes crocodiles get bored, and that's when it's time for crocodile wrestling! In the food chain, there is always a bigger fish. Here is how warthogs protect their children from leopards. If you think that in a fight between a cat and a chicken, the winner would be obvious, then you've never encountered a chicken gang. If you think that turtles are harmless, then you've never been bitten by a turtle, unlike this horse. At first, it seems like this heron is trying to steal from an eagle, but in fact, it's the eagle that's on the hunt right now. While Habib Nurmagomedov fights a bear, his dog also wastes no time. Here's what the luckiest chicken in the world looks like. The great egret is so cool that it uses crocodiles as taxis.
Dominating!
And that's all. Write in the comments, what's the most unpredictable animal encounter you've ever seen with your own eyes? In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.